I'm sorry, but this is the last season of Thomas and the Car Show. No. Let me rephrase that. This is the last episode of Thomas and the Car Show. This is the last episode for Thomas and the Car Show, Season 2. Next time, Season 3 will be out next month. So, be patient. The next season will be Thomas and the Car Show Season 3. I don't know. We can fly right through it. And in January of next year, we'll be very busy. We'll be making videos. And May 2020 will be extra excellent. Making lots of episodes, videos, interviews, tests, and you won't start tests driving. Won't start tests till you won't start tests till May 2020. May 24th, 2020, which is my birthday. May 24th is always my birthday. Numbers. So be patient. You can listen to this. You all can listen to this song. You won't be able to see. You will just listen. Y'all can even sing to this. Speed limit. Yeah. Precisely 3, 4, and 5 on those streets. We need to know which street will take us to Anna's school.
Let's call her and find out. We can call her right here on my belly screen.
Anna, we've got your thermos and your lunchbox. Yay! And it's perfect timing. My teacher says it's time to go up on the roof so we can have our picnic. We're on our way. We just need to know how to find your school. Oh, okay. My school is on 5th Street. It's a building with 4 windows in the front. Thanks, Anna. We'll be there soon.
Anna said her school is on 5th Street. 5th Street
table has a pattern of orange and yellow ducks. That one. That's Anna's picnic table.
Going in for a landing.
Here comes Anna's class. And there's Anna. Anna. Team Umizoomi, you made it. And you found my lunchbox and thermos. Yup, we got everything we need for an Umi-rific picnic.
Ice cold lemonade and some delicious sandwiches.
Wow, thanks, Team Umizoomi.